Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying core versions because mismatches cause most failures. First, confirm Android Studio, JDK, and Gradle compatibility. Note any version gaps. Next, check Gradle. Properties and local. Properties for correct SDK and Java paths so the build can find tools. Once done, open the project terminal and run /Gradle clean and /Gradle version to produce concrete error output. This gives diagnostic clues you will act on in the next steps and prevents chasing phantom issues. Now you systematically resolve dependency and plugin conflicts so the project can compile. Start by inspecting module and root build. Gradle for inconsistent plugin or dependency versions, mismatch support, and Android X libraries often break sync. Next, update repositories to Google and Maven Central and align versions across modules. This reduces resolution surprises. Then run /Gradle build stacktrace to capture detailed failures, and temporarily enable offline mode to confirm whether error. Finish by clearing state and validating the clean build so you know the problem is gone. First, invalidate caches in the IDE, and if necessary, delete the ~. Gradle /caches folder so stale artifacts cannot interfere. Then run /Gradle build refresh dependencies and watch the IDE event log and Gradle logs for residual errors. If failures persist, revert recent commits or compare with a known good CI build and gather stacktrace, Gradle, and plugin versions to report. This focused evidence speeds troubleshooting and prevents repeated guesswork.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.